guys, and welcome back to another vlog video. So right now I am at the Waterfall. So you can see a lot of guys are present here, and the number of boys are there are many, and very few girls present here. So it's a wonderful time we are spending here. So you can see on the top of the many people. So you can see here all around. So here also many guys who want to come here and have fun. So that's all.
भाइयों और बहनों, आप लोग देख रहे हैं ये धोधुरा वाटरफॉल कहा जाता है और ये मेघालय में है, वेस्ट गारो हिल्स। तो बहुत लड़का लड़की यहाँ आ चुकी है, तो आप लोग देख रहे हैं तो नहा रहा है वो लोग, बहुत आनंद ले रहे हैं। और ये गर्मी का मौसम है, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप और गर्मी है, इसीलिए ये लोग आए हुए हैं और गर्मी का मौसम यहाँ नहाकर आनंद ले रहा है। तो गाइस, आप लोग देख रहे हैं लाइन में खड़े हैं, तो सारे काफ़ी लोग आए हुए हैं, यहाँ इकट्ठा होकर आनंद ले रहे हैं। So this is the wonderful moment the boys and girls are enjoying here to beat the hot summer heat. As it is the month of July and it is very hot now. I think it is 36 degrees Celsius, and to beat the heat wave they have come here, and they are enjoying the waterfall here and having bath there. So this is the upper part of the waterfall, and I'm going to see here, show you that they are also taking the selfie here. So many have gathered here and taking the selfie, going up and down right from the 10 o'clock. They come early in the morning, and they just come here to have spend time and have a fun here at the waterfall. This is the upper part of the waterfall, and the lower part is at the lower level, and these guys are enjoying at the upper part. So you can see even so they are having a great time, great moment, and just spending the time on sitting in near the waterfall. And this is a mini waterfall, we can call it. Just spending time, how to spend time and how to get the most enjoyable moment they are having. And whenever if anyone comes here, he or she will be surely enjoy the moment and see how they are playing. They are having fun, even though they came from the different areas, different villages. So this is the uppermost part I'm showing, the uppermost part, how the water is falling down to the lower portion. You see the so many, I think it will cross 300 boys and girls here. And this is the lowermost part of the waterfall, and the water is falling downstream, and you can see considerable size of big size of stone here. So it's fully flowing down, and but I didn't find the place to be peaceful today, but it's turned out to be very noisy and disturbances created by the guys present here having a great time. always cheering up with joy, and see how they are standing and taking this selfie again and again. So this is the uppermost part, and before leaving this waterfall, I want to show you some interesting. Some of the even the whole family came here and they are cooking rice and curry here. And here is the cooking curry, I think chicken. So they came with the whole family, and this is the uppermost part, just having a great time, these people. And lastly, I am gonna show you that this small field has turned out to be the parking place for the visitors. So many bikes and e-rickshaw, auto rickshaw are also here. So this is the place, a small field where parking is being done, and at the lower there is a waterfall, and this is the field you can see here. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed a lot, and this is the parking place. And last of all, I would like to say that I will bring back with more beautiful videos and wonderful videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.